Hi guys, in this tutorial I will explain how I have created this Mitsubishi emblem in Fusion360. Don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification of new videos. In new file, first I will create a sketch on XY plane. First, I will select a line tool and will create a construction line. For creating the construction line, I will check this option. I have created a line and this dotted line indicates that this is a construction line and will not affect our modeling. Now I will select the line and I will uncheck construction option and will create one half of the diamond. Now I will apply some constraints on this. I will select the horizontal and vertical constraint and will apply on these points. Now I will set the height of this line 14 millimeter. I will select the equal constraint and will apply equal constraint on these two lines. As I need the same sketch on opposite line, then I will apply mirror command on this sketch. For applying mirror command, I will go to the create menu and will select the mirror. Then I will select the profile and then the mirror line and click on OK. Our diamond has been created. Now I will click on finish sketch. Now I will apply padding on this sketch. I will click on the extrude and will enter the value 3 millimeter. Go to the top view. One diamond has been completed. I will click on the create pattern and circular pattern. First, I will select the body and then I will select the axis. I will select the Z axis. The number of quantity must be 3. Click on OK. Now our diamond has been created. Now I will create another sketch on XY plane. Then I will project the sketches of all these diamonds to this sketch. For projecting the sketches, I will go to the create and click on project. Then I will select all faces and click on OK. These purple dots indicates that all sketches has been projected successfully. Now I will apply offset command and will create offset of 3 millimeter on each diamond. Once the offset applied on each diamond, I will trim the extra geometries with the trim command. First, I will activate the trim command and will delete all the internal geometries. Once the extra geometry will be deleted, then I will delete the projected geometries of the diamonds. I will turn off the visibility of diamonds. Then for deleting the diamonds, I will select all the lines one by one by pressing Ctrl and will delete them. Once the diamond geometries will be deleted, then I will finish the sketch and will apply extrude command on this profile. Once the projected geometries will be deleted, then I will finish the sketch. Then I will delete sketch, extrude command and circular pattern. Now I will apply extrude command on this sketch. First I will click on extrude, enter the value 6 millimeter and will add the taper angle of minus 15 degree. This will add a little bit slope on each diamond. If I go to the top view, we can see this. Now I will select this sketch and press C for creating new sketch on selected face. Then I will select offset command and will create an offset of minus 1.5 millimeter on the sketch. And this will add 3 diamonds again on this face. I will finish the sketch. We'll go to the isometric view and I will apply extrude cut on these diamonds. I will select the extrude, click on all faces and enter the value minus 3 and the cut operation will automatically selected and click on OK. Now I will go to the top view, will rotate this. Again I will create a diamond on each face. First I will select this face, press C for creating new sketch and for creating diamond I will go to the offset command and will click on this face and enter the value minus 1. OK. Again, I will finish the sketch and select another face and will create another diamond. Once the diamond will be created on each face, I will go to the isometric view and will apply extrude command. One, I will click on extrude command, then will select all profiles and will enter the value 3 and go to the operation and will select new bodies. One, I will click on OK. You will see that 3 more boundaries will be added at here. Now I will click on OK. You can see that 3 bodies has been added at here. Now I will go to the top view. We'll rotate this and now our badge has been completed. For finishing purposes, I will apply a fillet on the edges of the diamond. I will click on the fillet, will add all edges and will enter the value 0.5 mm. Now our badge has been completed. Now I want to apply some appearances on this badge. First I will press A for appearances and will apply any metallic texture on this. On diamonds, I will apply bright texture on diamonds. In this way, our badge has been completed. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you.